It is no longer new that the inauguration ceremony of the Umunwanyi Germany will be coming up on the 5th of July 2025. We have invited dignitaries and personnel from different parts of the world to grace this great occasion. Are you coming from Nigeria, Canada, America, United Kingdom, France, or any part of the world? We want to let you know that we have able and capable hands who are working day in, day out to making sure that the 5th of July 2025 will be a day you will never forget in a hurry. We are recognizing the National President of Umunwanyi Germany, Queen Nwakego Flozi Ibekwe, Ezenwanyi na Germany, Afunwanyi Afogologimie, Akaji UIG. Also recognizing the UIG Social Welfare Officer, Lolo Nwamaka Florence Onuoha, Onwa 1 Neziama Onisha, Ezenihite Mbaise. The coordinator of the host city Frankfurt, Lolo Onyi Emwebe, the one of Black Race. Dr. Mrs. Clara Shinye Mayadix, the able coordinator, Bremen City. Asanwanyi Dimma, Mrs. Grace Umezulike Wayman, the able coordinator, Essen City. Mrs. Stella Nnekamadu, the active coordinator, Kaiserslautern Zone. Lolo Ogeshi Christiana Obi, Akuwezu Kawan Nakaland, able coordinator, Noise Dusseldorf. Lolo Mrs. Ikeshi Alaike, Ugodiya Wan na Umuadata, able coordinator, Cologne Bonn. The able coordinator of Hanover Zone, Lolo Mrs. Amoshe Mbanaso, Ugosimba 1 Nohabu. Mrs. Ndinamaka Emeruwa, the active coordinator of Maihan City. Mrs. Catherine Obuano, the coordinator, Bielefeld Zone. The active coordinator of Mainz-Wiesbaden, Mrs. Glad Njoko. Mrs. Anne Eziamaka Nwaru, the coordinator, Berlin Zone. Mrs. Adobe Ezenwosu, Ugocharacha, able coordinator, Hamburg City. Chief Mrs. Lolo Francisca Okonkwo, also DMA 1 na Ihite, the able coordinator of Munsterland. We are also recognizing the active coordinator of Karlsruhe, Mrs. Rita Okora for Frederick. Mrs. Nkiru Okoro, the active and able coordinator of Nürnberg City. Mrs. Benedicta Chidimmachuku, the coordinator, Munchin Zone. And Mrs. Shoma Linda Onwuka, the coordinator of Worms City. We are also recognizing all the members of the planning committee. Mrs. Njide Kadim, all the way from Nürnberg Zone. Also on the list is Princess Amarachi Anyasodo, Mrs. Lolo Onyekachi Nnabike, Ugonwanyi Maramma, Mrs. Oziomachukwu Akumawa, all the way from Frankfurt City. Mrs. Eunice Mba is also from the host city, Frankfurt Zone. Mrs. Juliet Iwoma Amasai Gueno, representing Berlin Zone. All the way from Mannheim Ludwigshafen is Mrs. Ujunwa Anyanwu. Also from the host city, Frankfurt, is Lady Bridget David, Lolo Odukonamba. Also on the planning committee list is Mrs. Ifeyinwanwara Emeka. And not forgetting Lolo Blessing Teya. So, with all these capable hands on deck, you have no reason not to be in Frankfurt City on the 5th of July 2025. So, tell one to tell one to tell one that na Umunwanyi Germany akwurugo gidigbam. UIG Ihunanya n'ofu obi.
Umunwanyi Germany akwurugo gidigbam.